For those of you who, like us, don't have a fully equipped wood shop, but do have a table saw, we'll show you one of the easiest ways to square up and get straight edges on bowed lumber without the use of a planer. We bought some really good quality S4S red oak lumber for our bathroom vanity project. S4S stands for Surfaced on 4 Sides, which costs a little more, but not having a fully equipped wood shop makes it possible to complete our vanity project without owning major woodshop equipment. Even with the S4S lumber, we ended up with one 2x4 that had a little bit of a bow in it. After cutting the 2x4 into shorter pieces for vanity legs, they still had a slight bow in them. All that you're going to need besides the table saw is some double-sided tape and a straight edge. The straight edge can be anything from wood to composite or metal, just as long as it's completely straight. In our case, we used a 6-foot metal straight edge ruler. To prepare the crooked piece for cutting on the table saw, first place the double-sided tape on the board and remove the backing on the tape. Next, we place the straight edge tight against the back side of the saw fence. Then place the piece to be cut with the tape on top of the straight edge. We place the ends of the board even with the straight edge, with the bow in the board away from the fence and straight edge so that the hump in the board is cut away when ripping the straight edge along the fence. Measure the shortest distance from the straight edge to the bowed side to be cut and set your fence to just under that measurement. This will give you a completely straight cut on the first edge. Then simply remove the board from the straight edge and with the newly cut squared edge of the board against the fence, rip the opposite side of the board to the desired width. Be sure to check back to our DIY Boomers channel for the rest of the vanity project and the entire bathroom remodel on our bathroom remodel playlist. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.